Hey everyone, welcome back once again. In this video, we are going to see the benefits of doing job immediately after the completion of your graduation. Before this, I had made one video. It was on the benefits of doing the post-graduation immediately after the completion of the graduation. Link is given here in the description. If you have not checked the video, please do check. And if you're new to the channel, please hit on the subscription button. Almost 60% of the graduates starts looking for a job opportunity right after their graduation. If you're someone who is inclined towards idea of getting a job right after graduating from the college, then as your first step, you need to build a solid resume and do holistic research on the job opportunities which are available on campus and outside the campus. In this video, we'll see certain benefits of doing job immediately after the completion of the graduation. Point number one is the independence. Before this, there was a trend people, those who had no financial support from the families, they used to start working immediately after the completion of the graduation. But now the trend has got changed. People, those who even have the family support for the post-graduation, they also prefer to go for the job. When we talk about the financial independence, it means when you start working, you start earning. So when you start earning, there are other decisions which you can take independently, like working for 3 years, 4 years, or maybe probably 10 years, you can decide whether you want to go for maybe for executive program or maybe to switch your job. This is one of the benefit of working immediately after the graduation. Next is an early start to your career. People, those who start immediately after graduating, get the quick start to their career. Like let's say for example, after 3 years of graduation, if you start working, and if there's someone after the completion of graduation, again if they go for the post-graduation degree, which is maybe for 2 years or 3 years, so they invest those 2 years or 3 years, and meanwhile you can earn the experience of probably 2 years or 3 years. That's going to be an early start to your career. Next benefit of working immediately after the graduation is to get the idea about the market. So when you start working, you become a part of an industry and you'll come to know that what is the trend in the industry, who are the competitors in the industry, what skill sets you need to have. So you get an in detail idea about the industry. So probably after working for 2 years or something like that, you can again go back and do certain certification programs if you want. Next is the experience. When we say after completing the graduation, when you immediately start for working, you get an experience, and this experience can be used for the career advancement or for the career progression. When you immediately start working after the graduation, it gives a better career prospects for yourself. However, you need to be very cautious about making such decisions. While taking a job might sound fancy and satisfying, but if your job profile doesn't fit you well, then you might be at the risk of taking the bad start for your career. That's why when you go for grabbing the job immediately after the graduation, you need to ask certain questions to yourself. Number one, is this the job which I was looking for? Number two, is my personality suits to this particular profile? Is this the same job which I was looking for when I was taking the admission to my graduation? And will I be taking the same decision after working for 3 years or maybe 4 years? And now when you have the answer to all these questions, then it's a right time for you to grab the job immediately after the completion of your graduation. Here's one more term which I wanted to talk here, that we call as a gap year. In certain cases, it may happen that whatever the job profile you had chosen, and it is not suiting to you, or it is not the way you were thought of. In that case, probably you can take a gap of maybe 1 year or maybe 2 years, again come back, and you can also give a new start to your post-graduation. We had talked about doing post-graduation immediately after the completion of graduation. We had also talked about grabbing job immediately after completing your graduation. But there is third option, that is while doing post-graduation, you can also work and earn the money and can enjoy your financial independence. That we are going to see in the next video. Don't forget to watch the next video, and if you have liked this video, please hit on the like and subscription button. Thank you so much for watching this video.